If you produce your feed, your chicken or poultry feed in your farm, you will save a lot of costs. You will have control over the ingredients. You will customize your feed. You will serve your poultry with fresh feed. You will reduce the dependency on commercial feed. You will make use of the local ingredients in producing your feed and thereby making it cheaper for you. You will produce healthy poultry, robust chicken, healthy egg and jumbo eggs. You have knowledge and develop more of your skills. You reduce environmental impacts and reduce waste in your feed. At the same time, maximize your profit. These are what you gain by making your own feed. Now watch this video till the end and encourage yourself with this video and start making your feed today. Don't miss any track. Share this video at the same time.
Now let's look at what you will gain from making your own feed in your farm as a poultry or livestock farmer. Producing your own feed on the farm can offer several advantages, including increased control over the nutritional content of the feed, cost savings, and potentially improved animal performances. What you need to gain. Number one is cost savings. Producing your own feed can be cost effective in the long run, especially if you have access to raw materials at lower prices and can optimize the production processes. If you have access of buying the raw materials, most especially from these village markets or from the rural areas, you will make more profit because there you can get it at a very cheaper rate. Number two, customized nutrition. You have control over the formulation of the feed. You make use of your own particular feed formula, allowing you to be tailored or to tailor it to the specific nutritional needs of your poultry or livestock. This customization can lead to improved poultry health, growth, and performance. Number three is quality control. By producing your own feed, you can ensure the quality and freshness of the ingredients you use in your production. This helps in maintaining a consistent and high quality feed product. Number four, reduced dependency on external suppliers. Relying on your own feed production reduces dependence on external suppliers, making your operation more resilient to market fluctuations and supply chain disruption. Flexibility in formulation. You can adjust feed formulation based on the life stage, health status, and specific requirements of your livestock or poultry, leading to a better overall management. Number six, knowledge and skill development. Engaging in feed production enhances your understanding of the animal nutrition and feed formulation. It allows you to develop valuable skills that contribute to better farm management. Number seven, traceability. Producing your own feed provides better traceability of ingredients, enabling you to monitor and control the source and quality of your raw materials. Number eight, potential for organic or specialty feeds. If you are interested in organic or specialty markets, producing your own feed will allow you to control and certify the ingredients according to the specific standard you set by yourself. Number nine, reduced environmental impact. Localized feed production can contribute to a smaller carbon footprint, by reducing transportation distance and associated environmental costs. Number 10, improved farm integration. Integrating feed production into your farm can create synergies with other aspects of your agricultural operations, promoting a more sustainable and integrated farming system. Number 11, better management of feed waste. You can optimize feed formulations to minimize waste and improve feed efficiency, leading to better utilization of resources. Number 12, market differentiation. If you sell product directly to consumers, producing your own feed can be a selling point, highlighting the farm to table aspect and the care taken in providing high quality locally produced feeds. Before embarking on feed production, please, it is important for you to conduct a thorough feasibility studies. Consider the investment costs and ensure compliance with local regulations. Additionally, seek advice from nutritionist or specialist or a consultant to help formulate balanced and appropriate feed for your specific livestock animal.
Please don't be scared of the equipment you are seeing on this video. We didn't just start it one day. You can just go and buy these small machines these women use in grinding corn for pap. Buy it and start today and to reduce cost in your operation.
Thank you for watching this video to the end. Please share this video to reach other farmers. This is the Poultry Side TV and I remain your humble servant, Dr. Leonard Charles Onwogu.